In this video, we are going to show you how to accept payments on Shopify with PayPal and others. So if you want to set up your payment methods for your Shopify store, it is very simple. All you need to do is, of course, you need to be signed into your account. And once you are in your admin dashboard, I want you to look on the lower left corner of your screen. It says settings, right? Click on settings. And then you're going to be brought to your settings page right here. And on your left-hand side, this is going to be your main menu. This is pretty much everything that you'll be able to access here on your settings page. I want you to look at payments, right? So what you see here in payments, I want you to click on it, right? So click on payments like so. And on the payments page, you're going to see several options here. You have payment providers. So if you choose a payment provider, right, you have some options here: integration, use to pay, Honorway, Pagbrasil, like Payoneer for credit cards or debit cards, right? But at the same time, these are third-party payment providers, so your customers would actually pay a bit more. Or if you want to set up like something that is like PayPal that is supported, right? So setup incomplete. So just click on this, and it's going to bring you to the setup for your PayPal checkout. Or another method is if you click add payment method here, you're going to have several options here. Search by provider. Always type in search for provider. You can type Wise maybe, so no result for Wise. Just type in a letter, right? So there's a lot of options here, and you're going to see all the options available here. So BitPay is available, credit card, debit card. There's a lot. DPay is available, Doku, FPX, right? There's a lot of options here, but not every option is available here. Just make sure that to double check before you commit to a payment provider that you can actually integrate them to your payment method. So yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.